Hello everyone. Today we are in episode 5 where we'll be talking how we can deploy a static website created using HTML, CSS and JavaScript into the Coolify VPS. So for that one, if you need to deploy the HTML, CSS and JavaScript website into Coolify VPS, so you will need to connect your GitHub to the Coolify. And if you haven't known that thing, then you can check out our previous video where we have talked about how we can connect our GitHub with Coolify. After that, you can come over this video and look how we can deploy our static website. So what we are going to do today is that we are going to deploy uh, this website called Animated Portfolio, which is created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript into our Coolify. So now here we have got the resources. Now we are going to click on private repositories because we have already connected our GitHub with Coolify. So that's why our GitHub account or GitHub repositories will be found over the private repo. So we have named it as CoolRaymond for our repo. You can connect different multiple GitHub account into your Coolify. So here we have got a list of repositories which can be accessed through my Coolify. Now over here you have to search for your project. Now remember that these all the projects are from the GitHub. So we have got our animated portfolio over here. Click on that, and after that click on load repositories. After clicking on that, you will find several options over here. Now from that option we have to change something, like here we have got build back, next back. So instead of next back, we are going to use static because we are going to deploy the static website over here. After you have changed that to static, then click on continue. After clicking on continue, you will go to a new interface where you will be told to start the resource. Now you can see over here we have got the resource. Let us name it as HTML CSS JS shape, and then here we have got deploy button at the uh okay, we cannot use comma, sorry for that one. Static website. So shape. Here we have got deploy button at the top right corner. Click on that. Now after clicking on that, your deploy will process will start. Now you have to wait for that. So here our deployment has been finished. Now you can go to the configuration tab. Inside configuration tab, you can see there the domain. Now you can go to that domain and see your website being hosted over there. So this is the website which lies inside the animated portfolio. You can host over there. So um, you have got a domain over here under the main domain called 94. Now if you want to connect your own domain with this Coolify, then you can check out our another video, and if that video hasn't come till now, then you can click on subscribe button. In next video we will be uploading how we can connect our domain to our Coolify VPS. So thank you for that.